Hi, welcome to my channel, and this week's project was this top. I finally handled how to do the shirring, so that was much better. So this top is like a suede kind of look-alike. It's super soft, and the way I was able to finish this shirring was I used a interfacing for this part of the top to keep the seams straight, because they weren't straight on the one I did last week's project, the epic fail. So I hope you subscribe and see how I continue working on my new clothing projects. And I'm going to get a little close so you can see the shirring a little better. So please subscribe, and thank you for watching my video.